Hi, I'm Graham Dossel, founder and CEO of MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers in Brisbane. We're the only law firm in the entire country that works exclusively in the area of credit default removal, judgment removal, inquiry removal, and now RHI removal. And we have an outstanding success rate, independently, externally audited, at 91.6% of all clients we take on. So, today I want to talk about why a credit repair service even exists. In a perfect world, you wouldn't need a credit repair service. If every single creditor did every single thing they needed to do to make sure that you were afforded all of your consumer rights, then credit repair wouldn't exist. However, unfortunately, that's not the case. Unfortunately, most creditors make mistakes. They forget to send you a default notice. The default notice doesn't warn you appropriately of what you need to do to avoid being defaulted. Maybe their contracts didn't warn you up front. Maybe they didn't have the appropriate pre-disclosure notice. Maybe they didn't give you the right amount of time between the first notice, the second notice, and the third notice. There are so many things that we do to protect you and your consumer rights. And it's like going to court, I suppose. If you want to go to court and defend a murder case, you can go and do it yourself, or you can hire some bloke down the road to help, or you can hire the best reputed experts in the entire country to help you when you need help. And that's who MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers are. So that's why a service exists. The creditors get it wrong. We believe that in most cases, if you had have been afforded all of your consumer rights up front, you would have had more opportunity to do something about it and not get defaulted in the first place. Only a default that is evidence to have been entered unlawfully can even be removed. So we have to evidence that it's been done unlawfully, and we do that in more than 90% of cases. It's outstanding. So if you want to be able to get your home loan, if you want to be able to get your car loan, or get access to finance again within 5 to 7 years, give us a call, 1300 667 218. That's 1300 667 218. Have a chat with one of my friendly team, and we can set you up with a lawyer to work on getting your default removed in the shortest possible time. Some of them in as little as 7 days from when we start. That's amazing. Give us a call, MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers, 1300 667 218. Thanks.